In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a game to your library on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the main ways of adding a game to your library on the PlayStation 5. I'm going to talk about the options to purchase the game, either digitally or physically, and also through PlayStation Plus. So of course, if you purchase the game digitally, it is going to be automatically added into your library. So all that you have to do is open the PlayStation Store, choose from any of the titles available in there, and you will be able to purchase it through various different payment methods, or even use your PlayStation Network account funds. As long as you purchase it here, it is going to be automatically transferred over to the library, and you will be able to see all of the editions or versions of the game and start downloading it. Now, if you have a disc, all that you have to do is insert the game disc into the PlayStation 5's optical drive, and usually it is going to be automatically added and installed. Now, if you have PlayStation Plus, what you will have to do instead is go over to the PlayStation Plus menu, and in there you will be able to see all of the benefits for your current plan. You will be able to find plenty of options related to getting free games or collections each month, and usually at the top you will see benefits, collections, games, and you just have to choose from any of those categories available in there. When you select a game that you would like to add to your library, usually you will see the option to download it right away. Sadly, it seems like you have to start the download to add the game to your library. So there is no way to add the game without downloading, but this shouldn't be an issue. Just click download, start the process, and then you can pause the download if you don't like to download the game right now. But to actually add to your library, you do have to use this option. So choose whichever option you prefer, as long as you have a valid PlayStation Plus subscription and you claim the games by choosing the download button, or you insert a disc, or you purchase a game through the PlayStation Store. Regardless of the method, you will be able to add games to your PlayStation 5 library. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a game to your library PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.